We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
我是 Joseph Ling, and it's time for dun 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 dun。
你在做嘛？
电影嘛，电影配乐的感觉嘛。
哦哟，
没有那种到电影院的感觉吗？哦，对不起。You know, movies is a often talked about subject these days because of the Oscars, and also because here in Taiwan and for the entire Chinese community, we've been very proud for the fact that the Chinese market is substantial in the international market now. There's a great presence of Chinese directors, actors, and actresses in Hollywood. You know, there's the leading actor, leading actress, the supporting actor, supporting actress, director, for instance. I want to learn how to say that in Hakka. 所以呢，我们先从
你
我
男主角，
我是男主角吗？Thank you very much. I wish one day I could be a 男主角。
我是主角。
主角。Oh, that's how you say.
呀哈，现在啊，你是男的，我是女的。
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Let's act something on the ear. Let's repeat that again, okay? To say the leading actor, 男主角。
男主角。
男主角。And for leading actress.
主角。
That's funny. 女是哦。主角。
不要那么用力，好不好？
这样很小心啊，我们不是在拍片哈。OK， 再来配角好了，有时候配角呢也是非常重要。The supporting actors and actresses are very important too.
配角。
配角， so 男配角。配角。
Yeah.
I love saying this. The director keeps the whole film together. 导演。
讨厌。
不讨厌啊。有些导演的确会让人家很讨厌，因为他很那个凶，然后才能把 everything under control， 很讨厌啊。我知道你很讨厌导演，可是导演怎么说呢？
讨厌。
不要再讨厌了，讨厌。
就会讨厌。
你好讨厌啊！在讲什么？
导演。
哦，那就是导演啊。哦，导演 sounds like I don't like you, I hate you， 讨厌。No, it's 讨厌。Oh, that's director. Well, there you go. Those are the most important characters in the movie, and hopefully next time you'll see Alice and Joseph on the big screen. That does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太港？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.